In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to your Otter.ai team. This is a straightforward process that will help you seamlessly collaborate with others on your transcription projects. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to expand your team. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Otter.ai website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is Otter.ai. Once you're there, you're going to notice the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that button to access your account. After logging into your Otter.ai account, the next thing you'll do is look toward the top left corner for your profile icon. This small, typically circular icon is a direct portal to many important settings within your account. Click on that icon and it'll take you to a menu where you can manage different aspects of your Otter experience. As you scroll down this menu, keep an eye out for the option that says Invite Teammates. This option is usually located towards the bottom of the list. Click on Invite Teammates, and you'll be directed to a new page specifically designed for inviting new members to your team. On this page, you'll see a text box where you can enter the email addresses of those you want to invite. It's as simple as typing in one or more email addresses, making sure that each is separated by a comma. This allows you to invite multiple people in one go, which is a huge time saver. After you've entered the email addresses, simply press return or enter on your keyboard to confirm your selection. Now comes the final confirmation step. You'll find a button labeled Invite. Click on this to send out your invitations. Once you've clicked on Invite, this will trigger an email notification to be sent to each of the email addresses you've entered. These emails contain instructions for your teammates on how to join the team on Otter.ai, ensuring they're added smoothly to your collaborative workspace. Finally, just to ensure everything has processed correctly, it's a good practice to refresh the page. By doing this, you'll be able to verify that the changes have been successfully applied and that your invitations have been sent. Your new teammates should now appear in your team list once they accept the invitation. And that's it! You've successfully invited your teammates to your Otter.ai team. This process will help you efficiently collaborate and streamline your transcription tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Happy collaborating!